So let's summarize what we learned in Lesson 11. After going through the introduction, the PowerPoint, and the examples in the book, we should have a good idea of how list and list elements are affected by padding and margin styles. We learned about default padding associated with list and how to control that padding. We learned how to modify padding and margin values and how to place the list item indicator either inside the list item or outside. And then we learned how to leverage list and list elements to create a pure HTML and CSS image map. After that, we learned how to use unordered list to produce horizontal or vertical navigation within our website. By using CSS to style your navigation instead of a graphic, you have more flexibility in both the display and maintenance of your site. I'm always an advocate of using CSS to style as opposed to just placing an image in there and using that. It's just good practice in general. We also learned that with a few entries on our style sheet, we can turn a plain underlined text link into areas with borders and background colors and other text styles. And we learned how to present nested lists within menus. A lot of menus, you'll see a horizontal menu. When you click on it, it has another menu that comes down. Or if you see a vertical menu, usually on the left of your site, and then it has a sub menus in each of those, say, categories. So we learned how to use nested lists to create those menus. This lesson is compact with a lot of information. I know it's kind of short compared to other ones, but it's just, I think it's good to know how to do this because you're going to find yourself in every website you make, you're going to have a navigation. Whatever your client wants or your boss wants, you're going to have to do some type of horizontal or vertical navigation somewhere. So it's good to see the different ways to style that. So that was it for Lesson 11, Chapter 11. Coming up next, Lesson 12.